Okay, a Honda 2.7 liter V6. I had a P302 code, pulled the Advanced Auto, and they said the number one fix is EGR valve. So I pulled the EGR valve off, which is like right over behind that gasket right there, like right in there. You can almost see it right there. Cleaned it up, and man, I've been through the need plugs, need plug wires, sugar cap, rotor, blah blah blah. Check timing. No fix, no joy. So I went online, and of course I find stuff that's really helpful. And I found one where the under load, which this under load under acceleration is where it's the worst, at low RPM. So I pull this thing off, pull the top cover off, and finally, I think I'll pull this little cover off right here, and guess what I found? Out of 6 holes that go to the EGR in the plenum here, all 5 out of 6 were plugged. The only one that was open was number 2, and that's that top, one of those top holes up there. So everything else was filled with carbon, completely filled up. That was filled up with carbon. This is all carbonized. So I'm hoping to, Eric the car guy's a big help, and he goes on, I watch his stuff, and he did the same thing, but I didn't know where it was on this V6. So finally I just popped it off. I've been looking at it all along, didn't know what the flip it was, and I couldn't find a video online to know what it was. So now you guys know what it is. It's a V6 2.7 liter. Not a lot of stuff out there on this engine. It's a 95 Accord. So I'm hoping to get all this stuff together. And buddy, this thing, it's been seafoamed, all that stuff, engine restore. It feels really good on top end, like insane on top end. Really, really feels good. So hoping this will get rid of that 302 code misfire and make this car really run like a champ. I hope this helps. Again, you've got to take carburetor cleaner, I think you can use seafoam. Some guy did that. I took a drill and just kind of like gouged out those holes there. I got an X-Acto knife, 3M, the 3M scratch pad. Took the gasket inside and used Dawn and a Scotch-Brite on it. And let's hope it fixes my car. Hope y'all helps y'all. Have a great day from North Carolina.